Department of Science and Technology and Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India has recognized 6 existing technology business incubators as Center of Excellence under NIDI. WailTech TBI was recognized as one of the Center of Excellence based on the performance and on the thrust area focused, such as manufacturing, digital services and IoT, e-commerce, 3D printing, e-waste, plastic waste management, embedded systems and VLSI, agriculture, robotics, UAV, healthcare and bio-incubation. Manufacturing Center of Excellence at WailTech TBI has been inaugurated by Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, in the presence of Tamil Nadu State Governor, Shri Banwarilal Purohit, on 13th March 2019 with a wide range of high fabrication facilities and CNC precision machining facilities such as 3D CNC profile cutting machine plasma oxy-fuel. CNC profile cutting machine can be used for cutting metals of any profile. Plastic injection molding machine for production of domestic industrial components made by thermoplastic materials. NC shearing machine. It can be used for shearing metal plates of thickness up to 13 mm and width 2500 mm. NC pipe bending machine. It is hydraulically operated and can bend metal pipes in different angles up to a diameter 4-inch, schedule 40 pipes. Plate bending machine. This heavy-duty electromechanical bending machine used for rolling and fabrication of process vessels used chemical petrochemical industries. Maximum plate thickness 13 mm with 2500 mm. CNC horizontal machining center. It is built with 4-axis machining capacity with working table of size 350 into 250 mm. CNC horizontal turning center. It is a 2-axis machine with components of 825 mm length and 550 mm diameter. CNC vertical machining center. 2 machines with 3 axes and different capacities and 1 machine with 5 axes. CNC wire cut EDM. It is used for cutting electrically conductive materials, precious metal cutting and high hardness. CNC coordinate measuring machine. This machine can be used for measuring dimensions of linear, circular, profiles, geometrical features like parallelism, perpendicularity, circularity, thread profiles, surface finish, etc. with an accuracy of 0.001 mm. And various welding facilities such as 4-axis MIG MAG welding robots, TIG welding, electrofusion, butt fusion welding, plastic welding. WailTech TBI partnered with ARKO Engineering for various machining job orders, etc. with leading OEMs such as Sundaram Fasteners, Dan Blocks Brakes, JKM Ferrotech and much more.